The meaning of plants, Erysimum, the wallflower. In some cultures, the wallflower symbolises fidelity, misfortune, and fidelity in adversity. The wallflower is the flower for the day of the week of Saturday. To call someone a wallflower means they are shy and reluctant to join in with people. In the sign of the zodiac, wallflowers represent those under the Sagittarius sign. 17th century Cavalier poet Robert Herrick wrote this tragic ode to the wallflower's name, called How the Wallflower Came First and Why So Called. Why this flower is now called so, list, sweet maids, and you shall know. Understand this firstling was once a brisk and bonny lass, kept as close as Danae was, who a sprightly spring all loved, and to have it fully proved, up she got upon a wall, tempting down to slide with all, but the silken twist untied, so she fell, and bruised she died. Love, in pity of the deed, and her loving luckless speed, turned her to this plant we call now the flower of the wall. Thank you for watching this short video about the meanings of the wallflower. If you enjoyed this video, the playlist for the Meaning of Plants series is on screen now, and if you haven't already, why not click on the subscribe button. Thanks again.